Would you like to know how I made these on my jelly plate? Well, carry on watching and I'll show you exactly how I did it. It was really easy. I thought for this video I would just play some music and let you watch as I put together the various different textures using my jelly plate. You might see that I've cobbled together my own little contraption to hold the paper in place. It was just a piece of card with some plastic on it and then some old blocks that I pinned down, and as you can see as I carry on, it just holds the paper in place. I do have another video that shows you another method of registering the paper each time, but yeah, I just thought I'd let you see this sort of crazy way I was trying to hold the paper in place. Anyway, that's enough from me. I'll play some music and I'll let you continue to watch as I had a lovely session putting these textured papers together using my jelly plate. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'll probably chat to you later. So here are the textures that I produced using my Gelli plate and the various different acrylics that you can see here. This is part one of a session that I did. It was quite a long session, but I thought I would sort of chop it up into two parts for you so you don't get too bored watching me make these textured papers. So if you've enjoyed this one, there is another one which will be uploaded very, very soon, and you'll be able to continue to see what I did on this very, very long session playing with my Gelli plate. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing that. If you leave me a comment, I promise I will continue to reply to every single person who is kind enough to leave a comment. So all I need to do now is to say thank you for watching, and I hope you will join me again next time. Thanks for watching. See you later.